Welcome to our journey around the world. Today, we'll be talking about hammerhead sharks, a unique and fascinating species of shark with a distinctive appearance and behavior. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of hammerhead sharks together. Introduction to hammerhead sharks. Hammerhead sharks are a unique species of shark known for their distinctive hammer-shaped head, called a cephalofoil. This head shape gives them a number of advantages in the water, including an increased field of vision and enhanced sensory abilities. Hammerhead sharks are also known for their unique hunting behavior, where they swim in circles around their prey using their cephalofoil to pin the prey to the ocean floor while they feed. This behavior is thought to give hammerhead sharks an advantage when hunting prey that is difficult to catch. There are 9 species of hammerhead sharks, ranging in size from the small bonnet-head shark to the large great hammerhead shark. These sharks can be found in warm and temperate waters around the world, and they are often found near coral reefs, seagrass beds, and other areas with abundant marine life. Hammerhead sharks are social creatures and often form schools with other sharks of their own species. These schools can contain up to hundreds of sharks, making them an impressive sight to see. Hammerhead sharks have been observed engaging in a variety of social behaviors, including swimming in close proximity to one another, rubbing their heads together, and circling around each other in a behavior called piping. Despite their impressive adaptations and social behaviors, hammerhead sharks are facing significant threats in the wild. They are often targeted by commercial fisheries for their fins, which are used in shark fin soup. This practice is unsustainable and has led to a significant decline in hammerhead shark populations worldwide. Hammerhead sharks are also often caught as bycatch in other fishing operations, such as longline fishing. Habitat destruction, such as the destruction of coral reefs, also poses a threat to hammerhead sharks, as they rely on these habitats for food and shelter. It is important that we take steps to protect these amazing animals so that they can continue to thrive in our oceans. Appearance. Hammerhead sharks are known for their distinctive head shape, which gives them their name. The cephalofoil, or hammer-shaped head, is broad and flattened, with eyes and nostrils located at the tips. The wide placement of these sensory organs gives hammerhead sharks a wide field of vision and enhances their ability to detect prey. The cephalofoil also contains a network of electroreceptor organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which help hammerhead sharks detect electric fields in the water. This unique head shape is an adaptation that gives hammerhead sharks a number of advantages in the water. In addition to their unique head shape, hammerhead sharks have a streamlined body and powerful muscles that allow them to swim quickly and efficiently through the water. They have a dorsal fin that runs along their back and a ventral fin on their belly, which they use to stabilize themselves as they swim. Hammerhead sharks are also gray or brownish in color, which helps them blend in with the sandy ocean floor. Some species of hammerhead sharks also have a lighter colored underside, which makes them difficult to see from below. The size of hammerhead sharks varies depending on the species, with the largest species, the great hammerhead, reaching lengths of up to 20 feet, 6 meters, and weights of up to 1,000 pounds, 450 kilograms. The smallest species, the bonnet-head shark, grows to only around 3 feet, 1 meter, in length. The other species of hammerhead sharks fall somewhere in between, with the scalloped hammerhead reaching lengths of up to 14 feet, 4 meters, and the smooth hammerhead reaching lengths of up to 11 feet, 3 meters. Overall, hammerhead sharks are a unique and fascinating species with a distinctive appearance that sets them apart from other sharks. Behavior and habitat. Hammerhead sharks are found in warm and temperate waters around the world, often near coral reefs, seagrass beds, and other areas with abundant marine life. They are a migratory species, moving between different habitats in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. Hammerhead sharks are opportunistic predators, feeding on a variety of prey including fish, squid, octopuses, and crustaceans. They use their unique head shape to their advantage, swimming in a circular motion around their prey and using their cephalofoil to pin the prey to the ocean floor while they feed. Hammerhead sharks are social creatures and often form schools with other sharks of their own species. These schools can contain up to hundreds of sharks, making them an impressive sight to see. Hammerhead sharks have been observed engaging in a variety of social behaviors, including swimming in close proximity to one another, rubbing their heads together, and circling around each other in a behavior called piping. These social behaviors may be a way for hammerhead sharks to communicate with one another or establish dominance within their school. Despite their impressive abilities, hammerhead sharks face significant threats in the wild. Commercial fishing for shark fins is a major threat to hammerhead sharks, as their fins are highly prized for use in shark fin soup. This practice is unsustainable and has led to a significant decline in hammerhead shark populations worldwide. Hammerhead sharks are also often caught as bycatch in other fishing operations, such as longline fishing. Habitat destruction, such as the destruction of coral reefs, also poses a threat to hammerhead sharks, as they rely on these habitats for food and shelter. It is important that we take steps to protect these amazing animals so that they can continue to thrive in our oceans. Reproduction. Hammerhead sharks are oviparous, which means that they lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. The females produce eggs, which are fertilized by the males during mating. Once the eggs are fertilized, they are enclosed in a tough, leathery capsule known as a mermaid's purse. The capsules are often found washed up on beaches and can provide important information about hammerhead shark reproduction. The gestation period for hammerhead sharks varies depending on the species, but can range from 6 to 10 months. During this time, the embryos inside the eggs develop and eventually hatch into small, fully formed sharks. Once the baby sharks have hatched, they are completely independent and must fend for themselves. They are born with sharp teeth and are capable of hunting for food right away. Female hammerhead sharks do not give birth every year and may take several years between pregnancies. This, coupled with their relatively slow growth rate and long lifespan, means that hammerhead sharks are particularly vulnerable to overfishing and other human-induced threats. Protecting these animals and their habitats is essential to ensure their long-term survival. Threats and conservation. Hammerhead sharks are facing a number of threats in the wild, many of which are caused by human activities. One of the biggest threats to hammerhead sharks is overfishing, particularly for their fins, which are highly prized for use in shark fin soup. This practice is unsustainable and has led to a significant decline in hammerhead shark populations worldwide. Hammerhead sharks are also often caught as bycatch in other fishing operations, such as longline fishing. Habitat destruction is also a significant threat to hammerhead sharks, as they rely on healthy coral reefs and other marine ecosystems for food and shelter. Climate change and ocean acidification are causing widespread damage to these habitats, making it increasingly difficult for hammerhead sharks and other marine species to survive. Pollution, including plastic waste and oil spills, can also have devastating effects on hammerhead shark populations. conservation efforts are underway to protect hammerhead sharks and their habitats. Many countries have implemented fishing regulations to limit the catch of hammerhead sharks, and some have even banned shark finning altogether. Marine protected areas, which limit human activity in certain areas of the ocean, can also be effective in protecting hammerhead sharks and other marine species. Additionally, public education and awareness campaigns can help to reduce demand for shark fin products and promote sustainable fishing practices. Thank you for watching this video.